Richie here with another demonstration. This is a seated row exercise, and what this exercise do, it targets your lower back and upper back as well, your posterior deltoids and your lats. And it's very important that when you're using this machine that you have proper form at the same time, so that way you're working the right muscles and you're not using the machine awkward. So as you can see how I have my knees positioned and I have this rest on my chest. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to reach for these handles, I'm going to grab them, and as I pull in, I actually stick my chest out and I'm going to bring my arm all the way in so I get a nice squeeze on my back. You always want to make sure that you get a nice squeeze on your back because that's how you target the muscle. So when you go out, you want to extend all the way out, get a nice stretch. As you can see, my arms are extended all the way out. So I'm getting a nice stretch. Then I'm coming in and I'm getting a nice squeeze as I come in. So now that I'm using the machine properly, I have proper form, and I'm getting a nice out stretch and I'm getting a nice in stretch. And you want to do that for 5 reps, 6 reps, sets of 10, however much you want to do, however you feel comfortable. And make sure you're using the right amount of weight that you can handle. Don't overdo it and hurt yourself. All right? Cool. Out, go in, squeeze, all the way out, go in, squeeze, all the way out, all the way in, squeeze, all the way out, all the way in, squeeze. All right.
For sure.
Fitness.
GT Fit.
All right.
Lightweight.
Let's go close. GT Fit. I'm gonna talk.
It's going.
All right, guys. I just wanted to make a instructional, educational video of how to properly do a bent over dumbbell roll. I see this a lot in the gym, where when they're doing their rolls, when they're doing their rolls, instead of coming up like this, they come up like that. And when you come up like this, it's more proper. I'll demonstrate it, but here's the wrong way. Here's the wrong way. This is the wrong way. Come closer, if you can. That's the wrong way. Here's the right way. So that's the right way. And I see that a lot in the gym where people, they bring the weight up. They're doing their bent over rows. And they come up like this versus like this, and it really helps out your workout. You get more of a burn per se. So those are called bent over dumbbell rolls. If you ever want to do that, like and subscribe and watch it over and over. GT Fit.
Yeah.